Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure someone go support the EP. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, when you find the Gaza station, welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, remind you know to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a shape on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this was definitely a good look for dancehall music, the Palmer legacy, and just for the overall confirmation. We see everybody a drop EP right now. Everybody has said them have a project in the wake. Even Drake recently dropped an EP. Just think about it. Dancehall Royalty was the first major EP and a world release from a world star, viewers and subscribers, a global sensation. Now, when asked about the scenes pertaining to the EP, this is what Likkle Vybz had to say. Me couldn't hear.
I have 2 tracks on the EP, Yeah You and Titanium Steel, both collaborations. Yeah.
Okay. Your lyrics?
Yeah, my lyrics, everything written by me. My lyrics, yeah.
Producing? You produce too?
No,
you're not touch that yet.
I couldn't think that.
Oh, so you have writer's credit and you have performer.
Yeah.
Okay, so how is it doing?
Doing great. Great.
People are loaded, download it and stream it and
yeah, because before the songs were available on YouTube, it was on the streaming platforms at first, so you had to purchase it on the streaming platform.
Viewers and subscribers, the EP Dancehall Royalty is doing extremely well, and the title of the EP is very fitting. Royalty. Likkle Vybz, Likkle Addy, Iko. When even asked who is focusing on the production side of music in the family, him say no, Iko think that Iko is fully focused on the production side of music as a youth. Remember me I telling about youth, the way them articulate themselves and the thoughts in them brain, the facts of them are the global scene, the international market where music is concerned. Even Winford said it was surprising to hear an individual speak this way. A young artist, a young individual, despite who I'm father. I'm extremely proud. I know the entire Gaza nation extremely proud. Winford did know this was going to be a big interview. We could tell. By the way, it was announced and advertised. Yes, we could tell. He was actually the face of the movement, truth be told. And they had good reason to. As I will point out in the last reasoning, Likkle Addy and his interview, the fact that even Winford asked who will write the song them. A big topic in the streets. People are wonder who will write the song them. You them are confirm say, are we write what song will have writer's credit and the EP? You can check that. And these are things where you can check about a production after a production is released. Who has the writer's credit? And if you can check who has the publishing credit, I think that's something where whoever holds that knows. But for writers, it always lists all of the people who were involved in the writing process for the songs released on any project. And him say him have him writer's credit. Good look. Definitely a good look. Some artists, they even own them masters as much as we have writer's credit. Them not involved in the process. And then do a go studio go vice. Other people control the music. Him say him a pre-management as well. Now, it was also interesting to hear what he said. The fact that even before the songs were available worldwide and you could pre-order and grab the tracks on different streaming platforms, him said people did already start forward out in a high numbers to go grab the project. And that will show you a worldwide support. Hence why him focus on the international scene as well. You have artists where focus on the international scene but leave out the local scene. And you can't do that. Because to keep hardcore dancehall going, to keep with the roots of dancehall, you still have to have a buzz right here upon the island. Or when we're overseas, you have to have a buzz right here over here as well. But you know it go. You have to put out songs that music that is fresh, music that is inclusive of different aspects of world music. The teacher drop Not Okay and people say, yo, not realizing say a dancehall rock and roll that. The teacher incorporated a different style of a different genre of music, a completely different genre of music, and incorporated it with dancehall. I still remember that track there because that was a major move in a dancehall music. People just never recognize it. So we talk about not just views and streams, but even in a sales. Even in sales, Vybz Kartel still a lead the pack. With good music. With good music. And not just gimmicks. And not just jump up and forward up and go on a bag of thing. No, I'm putting out good music where the fans love and appreciate. Not just local fans. International fans. Fans across the world. And that within itself is something to celebrate the viewers and subscribers. Continue to stream the EP. That's how we continue to talk. Every video we continue to remind them and say, yo, watch you know, make sure so now stream the EP. If you know nobody wanna grab it yet, make sure so them grab a copy. If you grab another copy. Grab another copy of the EP. I saw the thing go. We are sure the support for good music. Good music will always live on. And it seems that the world is taking note of that. Let's also take a look at the fact that after Vybz Kartel released the amount of albums released from the camp, it also had an effect on dancehall itself. And this year, every artist and them friend forward out and said them have a production on the way. That's how we are talking about, by leading as a true general in dancehall music. That's how we talk about Vybz Kartel influence, and people like to say, oh, like them no want make it known, like them no want admit it. Them always try to find something else to say, find something else to interject. We are pointing out this. Even before the teacher dropping albums, other artists could have done this. The teacher continue to give us world-class production, meaning him drop singles, drop tracks with videos, and him also drop album productions. He decides to go forward out and introduce the world to mute them the official way. And him say, alright, we're going to drop dancehall royalty. I give them an extended play. I make them continue to listen, stream, and play these tracks. And that is exactly what is taking place worldwide. Yeah, you, Titanium are two of the tracks that feature Likkle Vybz. And them hot. I'm glad to see. Yeah, you get a video. Because when them that talk about in a yeah, you are definitely something that say, of course, people have to see this now video settings. So that this can be something that can be streamed and can be watched over and over again. Because videos do that. And to think about it, he also mentioned something very important. He said he paused on school to focus on academics and really just started focusing fully on the music recently, as recent as just a couple months ago. And to see the impact that their music, their features and Vybz Kartel's tracks, their features together, him alongside Little Addy, the impact that their music has had on the world so far, viewers and subscribers, is definitely a good look. Them start off even younger than Vybz Kartel himself and are showing that same growth. Yes, they are showing that same growth, viewers and subscribers. So that within itself is something we feel proud about. We don't have to talk about it. Had to highlight that one here. We don't have to talk. This is the thing them don't like to talk about in the dancehall music. Them like to make it look like dancehall music is going nowhere. Them like to make it look like all of the artists them we are fouled up and this is what them are deal with. No. We have other artists who are put out good music, who respect the game and are protect the game to another level. That is important. That was very important to hear him say. Big up Likkle Vybz. Big up Likkle Addy. Big up Iko. Big up all the world boss youth them. Know what I mean? I look forward to see them do big things. Definitely I look forward to seeing them do big things. Them have the record label. Them have all the tools at their disposal to create good music, market it, and impact the world music. Or the world music market. As I said, sales confirmed as doing extremely well. That are good news. That are definitely good news for all who wonder them streams account. For all who wonder if them views and them comments account. Yes! Continue to view, stream, comment, and share. What wanna do? Continue. It definitely a show. While we talk about the charts all while, we have whole heap of things to discuss. So you know there's something go about. If you hear him confirm it, we'll point it out and I make you know. So yo, the Dancehall Royalty EP is doing extremely well on all digital platforms. We know there's something go already. Vice to the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, right? And put it on all. And this is all be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded. Drop a like, bust a share on the vlog, tell a friend, tell them sister and brother, them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion, comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue reasoning via the comment section. You know the something go. You know what I mean? Yes, be respectful and mindful of the guidelines too, but drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. Tell all young artists, yes, contact the IG page, Jayden_Chase_ for details on the special. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, I move settings for my own need no lad, and my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, wanna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.